How to create a delivery note with Quotation Maker. Choose Make Delivery Note option. Let's add delivery note information. Here, you can add or update delivery note information. In Other Info, you can add custom information for your delivery note like reference number, vehicle number, transportation mode, etc. Update Info. Delivery note information will be displayed on final PDF. Add customer by tapping on Bill to option. Here you can choose customer from existing customers list or you can add new customer. Fill up customer details. Don't forget to add the shipping address to the customer details. And save it. This is list of existing and newly added customer. Select customer from this list. Selected customer will be displayed on final PDF. Let's select product. Here you can choose product from existing products list or you can add new product. Fill up product details and don't forget to save it. This is list of existing and newly added products. Select product from this list. Fill up quantity and description for product. And add to delivery note. This will be added to your delivery note. Let's add another product. Choose another product from the list and add to delivery note. Selected products will be displayed on final PDF. Let's add terms and conditions. Here you can choose terms from existing list or you can add new terms. Select terms. Selected terms will be displayed on final PDF. Verify all details on this screen. And generate delivery note. Your professional-looking delivery note is ready. Now, you can share delivery note with your customer with various sharing options like WhatsApp, email. Thank you for watching.